Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and also tell me what you want to see. So I am walking towards my girlfriend's house to instruct her how to make pasta from scratch. Whatever method she decides to choose, we're gonna work through it together. But I was just thinking, the sun feels so good in the month of October, and in August it wasn't like this. It was raining, cold, and a bit sad for me. I am at a intersection where people well, they have to go ahead, but I ran across the street. Don't do that, don't do that. But yeah, the sun is so good, and I'm walking past a market that usually is bigger, but it's quite small. I'm gonna show it to you. This market used to be all of this street going up to the stoplight, but during the pandemic it's now a small space. The entire road would be blocked off, and people would come here to buy fruits, veggie, and eat. So I'm here with Picky Girl Adalia, my girl, my friend, my So we are gonna have the, well, I'm gonna instruct her to make the pasta. I'm not gonna get my hands dirty, so let's see how this goes. We're gonna get right into it. She washing her hands. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hygiene is very important here. And crack some eggs. Yes. Cracking the eggs separately for more reasons than one. What this helps with, so you can see which egg is good and which egg is bad, and so forth.
Well, these are the only 4 at room temperature, so they better all be good.
Ooh, that's how you crack your egg, guys. No, that's okay. That's okay.
Me and you go fight.
No, we're not going.
I told you I don't cook.
But today you're gonna see that you have it in you.
I don't be one to cook.
Your power chakra in the kitchen is gonna come out today. You're gonna get strong arms today.
This is a little bit more intimidating than I thought it would be.
Why?
Well, nobody likes to do things that they're not good at.
Well, that is true. That is true.
And
Fair.
It's hard. Okay.
We're going in with a bit of salt and the.
How much is a bit of salt?
To your, I usually say to your liking, but for me,
I don't know what my liking is.
I usually go with 1 teaspoon or tablespoon.
That's a big difference.
That's what I say. Depends on to your liking. Like
that's a big difference.
yeah. So when I'm doing for the customers, I go in with teaspoon, small. You know.
This is a teaspoon.
Yes.
Okay. So 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yes.
In the eggs.
Yes.
Just pour it in.
Yes. And oil in the egg as well.
Tablespoon of oil. Right?
Yes. Tablespoon. A bigger spoon.
Okay.
That's why I say, even when I'm giving classes, I say, hey, to your liking.
Okay, because see, that's something people who cook say. Because those of us that don't cook, I don't know what the hell my liking is. And so then I whisk that.
Yes, whisk it. And then we're going to set it aside, and then you're going to measure out your flour. How do you want it? Do you want to use 1 and 1? Do you want to use 1 type? How do you want to do it?
I don't know. This is where your expertise comes in. Is that good enough?
Yes, that's perfect. And we rest that aside. We're gonna put away these. Let me help you clean up.
I have
Simolina semolina, which is perfect.
Semolina. I also have this, which I thought I needed to make.
Yes. Double O, yeah. So how do you want to use it? Do you want to...
This is where your expertise comes in.
Okay, so this is finer, and if you use this, it's gonna take a long time. So we're gonna use half of this and half of this, and we mix them together.
So equal parts?
Yes, perfect.
And then how much is the part?
How much do you want? Do you want a kilo, 2 pounds?
Vanessa, just tell me what to do.
We're gonna use,
Let me see here. Is it 2.5?
this is 2.5 cups, so we're gonna use 1 cup of the semolina and 1.5 cup of the, yeah. I also use almond flour too, coconut flour. I mix them.
Which do you use the almond flour to replace the semolina?
Yes, but the almond flour is super soft. So with that, I keep adding and adding and adding. Yeah.
That sounds like having to think.
Nice. Ooh. I'm getting nervous.
To show me how to make pasta. I had delusions that like, oh, I'll make my own pasta. I can already tell you.
You had delusions?
I'm not making my own pasta. You said 2.5?
Yes.
1.5?
Yes.
I'm not making my own pasta after this.
You're gonna enjoy it.
I'm sure I'm going to enjoy eating it. But will I enjoy eating it enough to make it?
Come on.
I don't think so.
No. Oh my goodness, you are cracking me up.
What the hell that even is?
Internet?
I'll have to look it up because I don't know what it is.
You probably have one. I don't know. Don't tell me I did this. Oh no, my star.
Well, it's that you're not perfect.
Oh, eso. No one is perfect, and we all start at the bottom, yeah? We all start and grow and build on the skill, and that's how we gain our confidence. Oh, my arms are tired now.
What do I do? More of that.
I'm gonna mix it in. Oops. Gonna mix it in until. So what we're gonna have is like making the crust, and then once we get rid of the flour, we knead it either heart shape or however fast we can to get everything together.
I think part of my problem is I'm not very patient.
I never keep you with someone who's. I don't want to destroy it because I don't want to pay for it.
It's like 30 and stuff.
Okay.
So,
It feels nice though. It's because you're using good flour, which is good. So we do this, and then as everything comes together, the texture will change as well. And you have to let it rest for like 30 minutes, and then we go up to it again. You're supposed to be. Come on now.
I'll jump in here whenever you want me to.
When it's almost finished. Oh, internet.
Sometimes it helps to see somebody else do it. I'm just saying.
That's the excuse you have now. Eh?
I'm just saying.
You make me make this with my hands. Oh, you make me make this with my. Oh, it's not stirring.
I don't know. I don't put the kitchen through its paces like this. My cooking consists of I heat stuff up or I make chicken.
So we go with it like this.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah.
And is the goal to have all of this flour?
Well, yes, but I'm not gonna do that. But it's at a good temp. Ooh, it's coming nice.
15 if that's the goal, why are we not doing that? I'm just asking.
Testing me.
I'm just asking.
It's possible. Let's go.
If I'm supposed to do this alone at some point.
Yeah. It's. Oh, the aim was for me to instruct. As you can see, that didn't happen. But she has another arm muscle work that involves using this pasta maker machine here. So she's gonna work her muscles. Pasta loving baby's gonna make her own pasta by
But I'll give you choice because you're the guest.
Oh, thank you.
No, you're the guest. You go first. Cookies and cream, chocolate, canela, and normal.
Normal. Which one do you?
I'm hoping you want the cookies and cream
Oh, why?
because I don't eat Oreos.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Where are these donuts from?
Crumb. Crumb. Did you show the cover, Crumb?
I did not, but I will.
You're changing.
Good changing or bad changing?
Oh, I've answered that on camera.
Okay. The last couple of times they haven't seemed to have been quite as light as they had been
It's
previously.
the oil. I don't like tasting oil.
I went down there hoping to get some pan de muerto, but she said they're offering it, but they're doing it in the afternoons.
Come on now. Record.
I am recording. We gotta get you some film, some stuff. There you go.
So the 30 minutes is up, and what Adalia we're gonna do is gonna roll it some more until it has this nice supple texture, not too dry, not too soft. Then she's gonna cut it in 4 bits, and we're gonna start making our pasta noodles. Yay! Are you ready to rumble?
I guess.
Yeah, so you're gonna take it out. Get your muscles into it. Where's your knife? You're gonna cut it, but you're gonna roll it first.
Okay, roll it around like that.
Yes. That makes you happy? Yes.
What should I be doing?
You can go in a heart shape or
I mean,
let me show you.
use your words. Use your big girl words.
My big girl words.
What am I supposed to?
Yes,
what
like
am I going?
yes.
Is
Yes.
I'm just kneading it. Is that all I'm doing?
Yes.
Okay.
We're building up our glutens
She's
here.
like,
Yes.
You can do that if you want.
Yeah. I'm a bad teacher in real life.
You can do that if you want.
She's my friend, and so it's hard for me to be hard on her. It's like, what are you doing? We're gonna start with the big one and then go up gradually. And if you want it to be at the pace, at the space where you can see your fingers or read a newspaper or read your tattoo through it,
No.
then it's not like that?
I don't think so.
Okay, so we're gonna start here with number...
I'll put that there.
Mm-hmm.
And then do I crank this one?
Yes. So well then you are gonna bring it up until you get the texture. Continue rolling. And then we're gonna fold it in threes, like if you're doing it from hand, this is how you would do it. And so we're gonna go back in.
Does it matter how fast you turn it?
No. Ah, it's really good. It's good. No, it doesn't. Nice.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go up. We're gonna go back in again. Oops. Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. You can do anything. All things are possible. Nothing is impossible. You got this. You got this. Don't tell me when I said that though. You can do it. This is nice. Yay!
Now, how do I know if I should fold it?
You can fold it here, but don't change it. Fold it and do it when you are doing it. I did ask the lady, how do I know? It's big. Yeah. This is not something that we cook in our culture. I learned this here, and so I don't think I have the authority to explain. I can only...
You went to school. I did not. That's why I defer to you. You went to school. You have formal education in this, and I do not.
Okay, that's all the pressure there. Yeah,
That's what I mean. So
I was looking at a Jamaican menu, and they had on the menu seafood broth, and I'm like, growing up, we never had that. So the menu, the recipe, not the recipe, but the food culture has changed because of the Jamaican returning.
you know what? That's been going on for hundreds.
It has
Just over here.
Yeah. Food culture. I mean, the conference I learned that food changed every 80 years, and in between the 80 years, there is like a five-year period of change until something sticks. So I look at Jamaican food culture. Everything else around changed, but jerk chicken, oxtail, and curry goat doesn't change, and fried fish. There's like addition to that, but it doesn't change. It still remains.
That's a staple.
You got this.
I think that's why I get you fancy.
With baking and making ice cream, because of flavor, texture, and balance, those things are really important for it to come out really well. You have to stick with the rules. However, for cooking, making like pasta, because it's dry, wet, there is a certain scale of temperature that you have to pay attention to. And food in general, when cooking, you can play around with it. But baking and ice cream, you have to stick to the rules. It's finished. How was the session?
It was good. It wasn't, this is gonna sound bad, it wasn't as horrible as I thought it was going to be.
Good.
But that's because I don't cook. Not because she's a bad teacher, it's because I don't cook.
I'm a bad teacher, I think. But that's it for today, our little session. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Remember, stay positive, think on possibilities. Bye.